The show was very amazing. There were so many planes, helicopters going, and the city green. Even there's some helicopters going here. A very nice show. I love the show. This was my first time coming to Aero show. Very awesome.
बेंगलुरु में 13 फरवरी से शुरू होने वाले एरो शो 2023 की तैयारियां जोरों पर हैं। इस साल के एरो शो का थीम अ रनवे टू बिलियन अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ है। शो का इफ्तिताह वज़ीर-ए-आज़म नरेंद्र मोदी करेंगे। एरो शो 5 दिन के लिए होगा, जिसमें 731 नुमाइश कंदगान होंगे। फ्लाइट डिस्प्ले की फुल ड्रेस रिहर्सल हफ्ते के रोज़ मुनक़द की गई, जिसमें फ़ौजी ख़ानदान शिरकत कर सकते थे। वैलेंटाइन डे के मद्देनज़र जब जहाज़ के धुएं से आसमान पर दिल की शबीह उभरी तो हाज़रीन खुशी से झूम उठे। मेक इन इंडिया की नुक्ते नज़र से इस साल के एरो शो में 15 फरवरी को कई ममालिक के CEOs के साथ वज़ीर दिफ़ा की मुलाकात बहुत अहम है।
it was really nice. Reaching here was a big task for us, so it took us almost an hour. But coming here, we've been watching all the fighter jets and the helicopters. It's really nice. We've enjoyed our time here. I think where we saw the 8 flights that came in the same formation, I think that was amazing. Yeah, we enjoyed that a lot. And also the fighter jets, they were amazing.
This is actually first time being here. Really very amazing. I really loved the show. Just fantastic. The Saring actually, it was really very good. It was very actually colorful. I liked it very much. And even Surya Kiran was really good. So yeah, that was my favorite.
The one which crisscrosses the things, and it was so amazing. You would have seen it. You have the video, right? You will see it again and again.
It was really good. It was my first experience, and I really enjoyed watching each and every show over here. Like it's like really awesome to see how these people perform.
Show was good. I really like Tejas flying. I like Rafael flying. Aerobatics was good. Suryakiran made some good aerobatics. Just that it did not make the tricolor, so that I missed. But otherwise, it was good.
It's so first time actually I'm coming, and it's breathtaking actually. You know, to feel that sound, the Indian pride. It's so amazing. It's the words are actually less. So that's all. I can't express much because I'm not having any proper words for that. So I'm just feeling the pride of the nation. So that's all. The great feeling.
Wonderful, the inauguration, the way the choppers came along with our Indian flag, that was like something goosebumps moment, and the sound of the jet, that was like really amazing. And we were not able to stand, but it was really amazing, and we felt really nice about it. And yeah, of course, this is first time, so it was like we want to come again.
I like the most in Surya Kiran. When it came, I so like it. Love to watch all the planes and all. When the plane going up and down, I so like it.
It was amazing, and Surya Kant's show was very good, and we really liked this. It was really good.
Which is the best part?
The last part of Surya Kant, it was the best, and starting parts was very good. Like, we loved that. The fact that they had a lot of coordination, it was very good. The entire show, it had a perfect timing of everything. It was nice. It was right. Because, if there is any kind of a miscoordination kind of a situation, then anything might happen. So, yeah, I think it's very important.
The show was too good. I was so excited to just see the aircrafts moving. Oh my god. It's like a blessed day. Very happy. Very enthusiastic.
Yeah. It was quite spectacular. It was like a dream come true to see it finally. It's been a dream to see it actually since childhood, and that we're actually here. The show was amazing, and the coordination between all of them was also amazing. So yeah, we are very happy to be here.
I liked it very much, and I'm really excited to see this. It was my dream. My dream is to be a pilot, and by seeing this, I'm really inspired to be a pilot more.
This is a very important to this aviation industry, because I have seen many aircrafts, many jets, many helicopters like this. It is very important to in our life in like aviation industry.